President-elect Donald Trump has announced plans to impose a 25% tariff on all products imported from Canada and Mexico as one of his first actions after assuming office on January 20th. Indian stock market carried forward their Friday momentum on Monday, but the gains were on the back of a resounding win by the Bharatiya Janata Party, the BJP-led Mahayuti alliance in Maharashtra Assembly election. Let's look at a few stocks that are likely to be in focus in today's trade. Starting with Premier Energies. The company's subsidiaries, Premier Energies Global Environment, Premier Energies International, and Premier Energies Photovoltaic, have received multiple orders worth Rs 1,087 crore from two large independent power producers, IP, and one other customer. Then we have Hindustan Unilever. The board has given its approval to demerge the ice cream business into an independent listed entity. Shareholders of Howl will receive shares in the new entity in proportion to their shareholding in Hull. And at last we have Ashoka Buildcon. The infrastructure company has received a letter of award for a road project worth Rs 1,391 crore from NHAI. The project involves the development of a 4-lane economic corridor from Bowaichandi to Guskara Katwa Road section of NH 116A, Package 3, in West Bengal under the hybrid annuity mode. Technical view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. The fact that the Nifty gained over 1,000 points in 2 sessions suggests a solid recovery from the lows around the 23260 zone, which has improved mood and bias considerably. The 24500 zone is the key barrier that has to be clearly broken to guarantee additional growth in the days ahead, according to the report. To be sustained, the immediate support is at 23800. Around 52,600, Nifty Bank encounters resistance that, if overcome, may open the door for more higher momentum. At about 51,270, the support range is still a little bit wider. If you are a day trader following market calls and tips for day trading, use our tool RNT Research and Trade. All you have to do is link it with your trading account, sit and relax. Convert trading into a business. Check the description for more.